Hi guys. Welcome to this session, right? This session will be basically making you try to understand why exactly BBA, Bachelor's in Business Administration, why is it the best choice as far as your career kind of manufacturing is concerned after your 12th. It's a great feeling, right? See, in our life, what happens is, first we have the 10th, and then we have the 12th. These are two very important, say, segments or benchmarks in our life, right? The first thing is, of course, the 10th examination, wherein we actually try to understand the different gamuts of the public examination, right? And the second part is the 12th. And when we actually pass our 12th, we are more or less quite say near to what we can actually talk about, understanding, okay, this is what I would like to choose, this is what I like to do, right? And when we actually go for that, what happens is we need to be a bit more clear. We need to be a bit more clear, because unless and until we are clear about how to choose our career, we might end up choosing the wrong career in relation to my personality makeup. And whatever we choose, it is very important that we take this into consideration, the external environmental conditions, right? External environmental conditions, if we are not taking that into consideration, we may be a misfit in the corporate parlances. And the objective of this particular session, organized by IPS College of Technical Education, which is having a 15 years of legacy into education, research, skilling. The objective again is you need to make a decision based on the understanding. The understanding is very important. So, as we have named it as the 12th conundrum, right? Because as I said, 10th is a general kind of measurement of your overall aptitude. कौन सी सब्जेक्ट सही है, कौन सी सब्जेक्ट में अच्छा हूँ, कितना मैंने स्कोर किया. 12th is your first step towards your career manufacturing. You're creating a career ahead. You're sculpting a career ahead. Yes, one thing is very sure. One thing is very significant, that this year there are a lot of people who have actually passed the 12th examination. That's something positive. But in the other hand, yes, there are a lot of students now जो कि वही सोच रहा है जो आप सोच रहे हो अभी क्या. And the biggest kind of hurdle which I see is the number of students who have passed the examination, the 12th examination successfully, is far greater than the number of seats in Rajasthan University. Right? The undergraduate seats जो कि available है RU में, different kind of programs. आप सोच रहे होंगे मैं कौन से में जाऊँ, चाहे BCom हो, BSc हो, BA हो, BCA हो, BBA हो, law हो, anything. You talk about medicine, engineering, humanities, fine arts, you name it. The problem is कहीं भी आप जाओगे, the number of seats is limited. So it's very important that I choose my career and I start my journey as soon as possible. Right? We need to come out of that inertia. We need to understand, yes, we need to be active. We need to take action, and action very fast. We need to take this action very fast. So I would like to express my intense gratitude towards IPS College of Technical Education, Jaipur, for making this opportunities, for giving this platform for every 12th passed out student to make this very, very significant kind of a decision. But before making a decision, as she says, wait a minute. Wait a minute, my dear friends. As I said, how can I ensure that, yes, my decision is going to be the correct one? So, we need to understand the goal first. Right? So when I talk of bachelor's in business administration, when I'm talking of BBA, and when I'm saying that, yes, most of you should actually think about BBA, the reason is this is a life kind of example. Of course, the time is limited, so definitely I cannot give you a lot of examples, but I can definitely give you certain examples which will make you understand, okay, why am I talking about BBA as being one of the best choices, especially in the post-pandemic workplace. Now see, the result is very much in front of you, right? This is Mr. Ashish Kumar Rai, a second-year BBA student of IPS College. And IPS College has got this beautiful kind of pedagogy, which I'll be explaining to you later on. Because most of the colleges, what they do is, it's a university kind of, referred kind of, say, syllabus or referred kind of internship programs, which is for 45 days or 60 days. But IPS doesn't believe in just 45 days kind of internships. IPS thought is different. IPS thought says, if a person is not practically aligned, if the person is not able to understand, okay, this is what I'm expected to do in the office, in the workplace, in the corporate corridors, he or she may not be in a position to actually, deliver what is required from the organizations. सिर्फ थियोरी से शायद मैं पूरी तरह से एक प्रोफेशनल नहीं बन पाऊंगा. अगर मुझे मेडिसिन करना है, which is a professional program, डॉक्टर बनना है, तो मुझे yes, I need to go for a prescribed period of internships. Same goes for chartered accountants. Same goes for all the professional programs. So why BBA has to be taken in a different way? Because BBA itself is a professional program. BBA एक ऐसा program है जिसमें आपको choices मिल जाता है. Further studies करो, या फिर you can actually start off your professional career, or you can start off as an entrepreneur. So IPS BBA is different because this is what happens just in your second year. Just in your second year, this guy, he's working. He's actually doing something known as the concept of on-job training at IPS. Well, I'll be talking about that later on. But why BBA? This is the market potential of a BBA student. You earn while you learn, and you ensure that you have got a pre-placement offer as soon as you complete your BBA. Provided आपको बहुत सारे skills आ जाए जो market का demand है. Right, you see this guy, he's getting an incentive of 14,200 rupees other than his stipend, and he's in BBA second year. Just tell me one more program, or tell me a BBA program from any other institution or any other college which can actually give or make this particular concept practical. I don't think so. So this is the result of an IPS BBA. The objective needs to be clear. Why am I talking BBA? Because BBA gives you all those skills which is readily accepted by the market, by the new normal workplaces. So do not follow your friends, relatives or anybody else blindly. ये इंडिया में बहुत बड़ा एक प्रॉब्लम है. दो प्रॉब्लम है इंडिया का. प्रॉब्लम नंबर वन, पेरेंट्स वो चाहते हैं जो बेसिकली उन्होंने नहीं कर पाया वो प्रोफेशनल वाला जो अचीवमेंट्स है, वो प्रोफेशनल अचीवमेंट्स को चाहते हैं कि वो अपने बच्चों से कर पाए. नंबर टू, they also think that They are the people who are going to judge what their kids are going to do. Number three, you kids also try to follow what your friends are trying to do. Wrong. Absolutely wrong way of deciding a career. First of all, the parents needs to advise the children based on their what will talk. Secondly, you need to choose your career based on what? Let's talk. So that is what we are talking about. We are talking about a factual analysis. Factual analysis. पहले समझो कि आपका एप्टीट्यूड क्या है. समझो क्या आपके पास वो एप्टीट्यूड है जो बेसिकली आप जो करियर के बारे में सोच रहे हो उसको फुलफिल करता है. व्हाट इज एप्टीट्यूड? वेरी सिंपली पुट, देखो 10th में भी आपको बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स मिले, ऑलमोस्ट ऑल दी सब्जेक्ट्स आपने पढ़े हैं, उसका you have appeared for the examinations also. लेकिन कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसके लिए आपको एक बहुत मजा आता है, इंटरेस्ट आता है, इनवॉल्व. और कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसको आपको एक प्रेशर में आ जाते हो आप, और आपको उसको पढ़ना पड़ता है क्योंकि पास करना है, राइट, बट यू डोंट एंजॉय स्टडीइंग दोस सब्जेक्ट्स. तो जो सब्जेक्ट्स आपको अच्छा लगता है, चाहे आपको इंग्लिश अच्छा लगता है, तो दैट बिकम्स वन ऑफ योर एप्टीट्यूड. यू आर हैविंग दैट नेचुरल काइंड ऑफ टिल्ट और अ नेचुरल काइंड ऑफ अ स्ट्रेंथ टुवर्ड्स दैट सब्जेक्ट. मैथ्स अच्छा लगता है तो फाइन, दैट्स अ नेचुरल काइंड ऑफ टिल्ट दैट यू हैव गॉट टुवर्ड्स दैट सब्जेक्ट. जो सब्जेक्ट अच्छा नहीं लगता है, सपोज आई टॉक अबाउट अ पर्सन लाइक मी, आई वाज एन आउटस्टैंडिंग स्टूडेंट इन मैथमेटिक्स. अब मेरा जो ये परिभाषा है आउटस्टैंडिंग का वो थोड़ा अलग है, क्योंकि आउटस्टैंडिंग का मेरा मतलब ये है कि मैं हमेशा क्लास के बाहर ही खड़ा रहता था, राइट. सो आई वाज नेम्ड एज द आउटस्टैंडिंग स्टूडेंट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एज फार एज माय प्रिंसिपल ऑफ माय स्कूल डेज वर कंसर्न्ड. अब मेरा तो फैमिली है, दे बिलोंग टू इंजीनियरिंग काइंड ऑफ प्रोफेशन. जैसे कि इंडिया में होता है. इंडिया में क्या होता है कि इफ आई एम एन इंजीनियर, माय सन विल बी एन इंजीनियर. इफ आई एम अ डॉक्टर, माय सन विल बी अ डॉक्टर. माय डॉटर विल बी अ डॉक्टर. सो मेरे पर भी प्रेशर था, बट मेरा क्या एप्टीट्यूड सही था फॉर इंजीनियरिंग? नो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. With engineering was mathematics, and I have to accept at that particular point in time I was not faring well in maths, but I could reason it out with my parents, right? There are a lot of other activities, there are a lot of other professions. So number one is aptitude, और जो course का requirement है वो match कर रहा है क्या. Number two would be your interest. मेरा जो hobbies है, मुझे जो अच्छा लगता है करने में, my avocation, is it drawing, is it painting, is it sketching, is it writing, is it playing, is it music, what is it? So dear parents, you need to understand your child. You have to understand those unique strengths of your child, and accordingly you need to counsel him or her regarding the future. Similarly, my dear friends, my dear students, you also need to find out your USP, your unique selling proposition, your USP. What is your aptitude? What is your interest? What is your psychometric kind of makeup? क्या आप introvert, क्या आप extrovert हो? अब इसमें कोई भी strength और weakness नहीं है. Introversion अगर होता है, introversion ये है कि मैं अपना जो energy है वो मुझे introspection से मिलता है. मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि मैं अपने बारे में सोचूं, अपने बारे में प्लान करूं, अकेला रहूं. There's nothing wrong in that. So if you're an introvert, if you love to analyze, you can think about a career based on that particular personality makeup. आपके aptitude और interest को आप साथ में ले लोगे. If you're an extrovert, for example, if you're an extrovert, then of course you are a person who gains energy by interacting with others. You are always a people's man. So a people's man अगर finance ले लेगा, definitely you are not going to survive much. एक people's man अगर एक particular ऐसा career ले लेता है कि जो more or less dynamic नहीं हो, तो उसको मजा नहीं आएगा. सो अगर मुझे काम करते हुए मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा है तो डेफिनेटली आई मे नॉट बी एबल टू परफॉर्म टू माय एक्चुअल कैपेबिलिटी. सो इट मेक्स परफेक्ट सेंस. Right, and when we are talking about this, we also need to understand कि आज के डेट का क्या requirements है. Of course, things have shifted. Things have shifted. Requirements have shifted. Right, जो companies ने adapt कर पाया है, they are going gung ho, they are going beautiful, they are going great. And business houses and companies which could not adapt to the new requirements, the new normal skill sets जिसके पास नहीं है, वो of course problem में है, and that is what it is. Only thing which is permanent, my dear friends, is change. This need to accept. This is what IPS excels in. IPS college का जो main strength है, that it is ability to ensure कि हर बच्चा वही सीखे, वही skill sets में पूरी तरह से दक्षता प्राप्त कर ले, पारंगत हो जाए, वही स्किल सेट जो स्किल सेट्स आज की डेट का जरूरत है. सो आईपीएस कॉलेज ऑलवेज गोज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps further to ensure that we are always attaching those required skills along with the prescribed syllabus of the university. यूनिवर्सिटी के प्रेस्क्राइब सिलेबस है, वो तो करना है फॉर द डिग्री, बट along with that, अगर मैं न्यू नॉर्मल स्किल सेट्स को भी हासिल नहीं करता हूं, then I end up just as any other BBA graduate, not an IPS BBA graduate. So if we talk of these skill sets, अगर आप देखोगे, you can see these 3 blue pillars. ये 3 blue pillars जो है वो आपको समझाएगा. This is the report of McKinsey and Company. So McKinsey and Company का report है. You can always trust McKinsey. It is one of the biggest and most reputed consulting firm in the world. So what they say is, अभी जो required skill sets है, जो skill set मुझे चाहिए, वो है higher cognitive skills, यानी कि creativity, complex situation से बाहर निकालने का जरिया, solution providing mentality, risk को manage करूं, है ना, अचानक कुछ चीजें हो गया, डिसरप्टिव कोई चीजें हो गया, उसको मैं मैनेज कर पाऊं, उससे मैं निकल पाऊं, उसको मैं गाइड कर पाऊं. दैट इज हायर कॉग्निटिव स्किल्स. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सोशल एंड इमोशनल स्किल्स, व्हिच इज अगेन मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स. अब देखो, सो ये जो चीजें है, ये जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, ये रिक्वायरमेंट्स आपको कौन सी प्रोग्राम में मिलेगा? ओनली बीबीए. राइट, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स, बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स, बिजनेस केस स्टडीज, बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम्स, ये आपको कहां मिलेगा? में मिलेगा. Your ability to collaborate with others, your ability to lead a team, your ability to initiate, your ability to ensure that your team is progressing towards the goal, ये क्या है? That is management requirement. आप देखो blue pillars, आप देख सकते हो blue pillars बढ़ रहा है, चढ़ रहा है. And the biggest pillar that you see is based on your technological skills. So आज के डेट में it is techno management based, my dear friend. Techno management, technology and management, they need to combine to make you readily employable. And these are things which IPS has identified. Right? 82% of the job vacancies require you to have digital skills. तो क्या मैं इसे BCA करूं या फिर computer literate? Not that. I told technology plus management, because the other things you're talking about, 82 तो चलो डिजिटल स्किल्स है, 81% is your flexibility, adaptability, again BBA. Right, 80% is your problem solving and critical thinking skills. ये required skills है आज के डेट का. These are the required skills of the present day. So you see, right, 82% digital, 81% flexibility, adaptability, 80% is problem solving, critical thinking, right? And if you talk about the other top 3 skills, these are again, as you see in your screen, right? Communication, intelligence, emotional intelligence. Communication, of course, we know what is emotional intelligence. My ability to interact with others. Leadership skills 78%, creativity and innovation 77%. अब ये skills आज की डेट में चाहिए, right? ये skills आज की डेट में चाहिए, ये skills चाहिए. आएगा कहां से? आएगा कहां से? दैट इज वेयर मैनेजमेंट कम्स इनटू बी। और डेलॉइट जो है, बिग फोर कंसल्टिंग फर्म्स, वन ऑफ द बिग फोर कंसल्टिंग फर्म्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, उनका यह कहना है कि 2030 तक, बाय 2030, स्किल्स वो चाहिए जो बेसिकली सॉफ्ट स्किल इंटेंसिव हो। और ये जो सॉफ्ट स्किल है वो देखो क्या है, दीज आर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, दीज आर सॉफ्ट स्किल्स: creativity, innovation, leadership, emotional intelligence, communication, right? Ability, problem solving, critical thinking. These are all the soft skills that we are talking about. And this 2030, 2/3 of all jobs will require these skills. That is what is being actually prophecy. ये prophecy कौन कर रहा है? ये prophecy कर रहा है Deloitte. So whatever I'm speaking, I'm actually talking about all these concepts, all these truths, based on a lot of research which has been conducted by the best of the consulting firms of the world, McKinsey, Deloitte. So now, one more thing that we need to understand is, आज के डेट में जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, people who are working, right? People who are working now, आज जो काम कर रहे हैं, अभी का जो वर्कफोर्स है, right? अभी का जो वर्कफोर्स है, उस वर्कफोर्स को अगर मैं देखूं तो जो L&D पीपल है, लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट, पीपल हु आर एक्चुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्रेनिंग द एम्प्लॉइज, एम्प्लॉय ट्रेनिंग वाला जो है, आज के डेट में वर्कफोर्स जो है उसको कहां पे ट्रेनिंग मिल रहा है? आप देखिए, वन इज 57% कहां पे हो रहा है? लीडरशिप और मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स पे। 42% किस पे हो रहा है? क्रिएटिव प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, डिजाइन थिंकिंग स्किल्स पे। 40% कहां पे हो रहा है? कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स पे। यानी कि अभी का जो वर्कफोर्स है, these are the skills which are missing. And if I put these skills into a particular kind of a box, these are all your management skills. And my dear friends, that is what I say, success and glory. So if I need to be successful, if I need to ensure that yes, in my future, I'm going to choose a particular program which is actually going to give me that grip over my career, that is where BBA comes into play. क्योंकि ये एकमात्र प्रोग्राम है जो आपको वो सारे स्किल सेट्स दे रहा है जो आज के डेट में डिमांड में है. And as I said, the reason that IPS Business School is one of the best, is most preferred destination. ये preferred destination क्यों है? Why is IPS College of Technical Education the most preferred destination for BBA? The simple reason is IPS College of Technical Education ensures that you are completely skilled according to the requirements. सिर्फ सिलेबस नहीं, नो, सिर्फ सिलेबस से मेरा काम नहीं बनेगा. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है कि मेरे सिलेबस के साथ साथ मेरे को वो सारे स्किल्स चाहिए जो आज डिमांड में है. As we said, 82% is my digital skills, my digital ability. So my dear friends, BBA is not just at the graduation degree, and IPS College of Technical Education is just not another college. Right? IPS College of Technical Education has an unparalleled 15 years of legacy, a legacy of where we have created excellence in this society. उसका एक एग्जाम्पल मैंने एकदम बिगिनिंग में दे दिया. This is the potential, this is our path, this is our differentiation. The differentiation of IPS is we focus on soft skills. जैसे मैंने बताया, Deloitte का ये मानना है कि 2030 तक 2/3 of all vacancies will be soft skill based. And when I talk of soft skills, यहाँ पे मैं सिर्फ communication skills की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm talking the entire gamut: team skills, creativity skills, thinking out of the box, your ability to collaborate with people, your ability to present things from a research mindset, and that is what IPS College of Technical Education does to. It ensures a holistic kind of development. Holistic development का मतलब, yes, the entire जो required skill sets है वो सब में I am actually getting enabled. So the mindset which we create is not actually, cramming one. It is a research-oriented one. The way these sessions are taken in IPS, it actually, lights up all those bulbs जहाँ पे आप research-oriented methodology से काम करना शुरू कर देते हो. You go to other colleges, you'll be having books. You read those books and you appear for the examinations. You are just, delivering, right, things which you have retained for a very short period of time. होता है ना, आप फर्स्ट ईयर में जो पढ़े हो वो सेकंड ईयर में भूल जाते हो, सेकंड ईयर में जो पढ़े हो वो थर्ड ईयर में भूल जाते हो, और जब थर्ड ईयर पास करते हो तो फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड ईयर में क्या पढ़ा था वो सारी गायब हो जाता है. Isn't it? Why? क्योंकि that was just theoretical cramming. है ना, एक कहावत है, सो अगर कोई आपको कुछ बोलता है ना तो आप भूल सकते हो, आपको दिखाता है ना तो आपको थोड़ा समझ में आता है, और जब आप एक्चुअली काम करते हो तो आपको पूरी तरह से समझ में आ जाता है. सो आईपीएस का जो मेथोडोलॉजी है वो वही है कि यू गेट योर हैंड्स डर्टी मैन. एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग, वेस्टिब्यूल लर्निंग, कॉर्पोरेट इमर्शन बेस्ड लर्निंग, research oriented approach. That is what separates IPS College of Technical Education from the rest. That is what we need to understand. And as I said, 82% of the skill set, it is digital oriented. Giving a kind of analogy, let me just tell you a comparison. BCom students do not know how to work in Tally because that is not a part of the university course curriculum. The basic tool known as Tally is not taught in BCom in most of the colleges. And here in IPS, being a BBA student, we will ensure you actually get skilled in Tally, in Excel, in data analytics, in digital marketing, in cloud computing. So that technical requirement, big data analysis and a data science book as a data analytics is an extremely important skill set to have today. अगर मैं एक बिजनेसमैन हूं, अगर मैं एक बिजनेस प्रोफेशनल हूं, अगर मैं मैनेजमेंट प्रोफेशनल हूं, एवरीथिंग इज डेटा. It is said that data is the new oil, और आज के बाद we have gone one step further in saying that data is the new air. हवा. अगर मुझे डेटा एनालिटिक्स नहीं आता है तो मैं जैसा ऑक्सीजन चाहिए मुझे जिंदा होने के लिए, वैसे ही प्रोफेशनली मुझे सरवाइव करने के लिए आई नीड दैट स्किल, knowledge and expertise to interpret data. और अगर ये मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूं तो definitely survival in today's corporate world is impossible. But do BBA course curriculum, say talk about data analytics in such a big way? So if you see, first thing is choose doing BBA, but the second most important thing is मैं ये BBA करूंगा तो करूंगा कहां से, right? Which is the correct and the real and the perfect institution which is going to guarantee me a real-time BBA? That question is very important. A real-time BBA, a real BBA which is going to give me all the kind of benefits which I think that BBA is going to give me. One more kind of thing, one more kind of characteristic at IPS is n number of clubs. Clubs, you need activities, you need platforms wherein you can develop your skills which are associated to your interests. हर interest जो हम लोग हॉबी के नाम से जानते हैं, every hobby is going to actually help you in your professional career ahead. Every hobby. But in order to make that hobby contribute towards your professional growth, you need to ensure that you get a platform to develop that hobby, right? And when you talk of a college is a platform where you need to go for the complete overall development of your personality, of your individuality, of your knowledge, of your skills, of your interests. And that is why we have these clubs. Here things are initiated by students. Here things are planned by students. Here things are implemented by students. Here things are controlled by students. Of course, with the excellent kind of mentorship that is required. Intercollegiate functions, intercollegiate functions, be it online, be it offline, it will always be there. It will always be there. This is an activity-prone area that you're entering, my dear friends. IPS College of Technical Education. Now, this is the magic. This is the magic which actually ensures that IPS always stays at the pinnacle. And the magic is, जैसा मैंने बताया, theory classes के साथ complete practical exposure right from your first semester, right from your first year. तो देखो इसका मैजिक क्या हो रहा है. जो कॉन्सेप्ट, सपोज आपने एक दिन पढ़ा कि the 5 P's of marketing, or the 6 P's of marketing, or the 7 P's of marketing. Originally it started with 4 and now it has gone to n number, और ये कैसे आ गया? पीस क्या मतलब? पीस का मतलब ये होता है कि ये कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, एस्पेक्ट्स है जो मार्केटिंग में हमें सोचना है. और हर दिन, हर साल, हर बार मैनेजमेंट, जो रियल रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड जो मैनेजमेंट अप्रोच है, जो एजुकेशन जो क्लास का अप्रोच है, which actually forces you to think, which actually forces you to dig deep. उससे क्या होता है? बहुत सारे नए चीजें मेरे दिमाग में आ जाता है. Start thinking about different things and I keep on adding to concepts. तो ये जो 4 P's का कॉन्सेप्ट, 5 P's का, 6 P's का, ये मैंने पढ़ा, ठीक है. लेकिन जब मैं ये चीज कंपनीज में इंप्लीमेंट होते हुए देखूंगा, तब मुझे पूरी तरह से उसको समझ में आएगा. मुझे पता है HR है, मुझे पता है फिनेंस है, मुझे पता है ऑपरेशंस है, मुझे पता है लॉजिस्टिक्स है, मुझे पता है प्रोडक्शन है, मुझे पता है बहुत कुछ, बहुत सारे प्रोसेसेस है एक कंपनी में, एक ऑफिस में, कॉर्पोरेट में, एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फर्म में. पता है, सुना है, लेकिन कभी मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है क्या? I think I'll go into HR, but what happens in HR? I think I'll go for finance, but what happens in finance? I think I'll go for marketing, but what happens in marketing? ये चीज तभी आपको समझ में आएगा when you're actually working or you're associated with a real-time organization. So at IPS, you study, you have your classroom sessions, and they are supplemented by corporate connections. And these corporate connections, ये जो corporate immersion programs है, ये जो on-job training method है, this makes you capable of working in an organization. Might be in the second sem onwards, or definitely from second year onwards, wherein you are talking about making yourself turn into an asset for an organization. क्योंकि आपको पता है, फर्स्ट ईयर में आपको पता चल गया कि सेल्स और मार्केटिंग में होगा क्या. एक बेसिक चीज जो होता है ना, टेलीफोन करना, टॉकिंग टू कस्टमर्स, टॉकिंग टू क्लाइंट्स, उसमें भी तो हम लोग को थोड़ा नर्वसनेस होता है. मैंने ठीक है, आई नो व्हाट इज PL, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट क्या है, लेकिन हैव आई एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट इन द रियल टाइम? जस्ट समझिए, तो जैसे ही आप फर्स्ट ईयर में छोटे काम लेते चल जाओगे, देन यू गो टू द सेकंड ईयर, यू गेट अ बिगर असाइनमेंट. अब थर्ड ईयर में वो कंपनी जो है, जो आप काम, थर्ड ईयर में आपको ये समझ में आ जाता है कि कौन सा पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस मेरे अनुकूल है, मेरा इंटरेस्ट है, मेरा जैसे एप्टीट्यूड के साथ है, मेरा स्किल सेट्स के साथ है. So I more or less I'm able to understand, okay, this is one profile which I can actually grow upon, right? So when an organization has seen you perform, जैसा आप देखे थे, I give you an example. Yes, perform. So do you think the organization will actually not like to take him as a full-time kind of partner after his third year? तो क्या होता है, students at IPS normally, naturally get a PPO. तो जब आप थर्ड ईयर कंप्लीट करते हो आपके पास ऑलरेडी एक दो ऑफर्स है, ऑलरेडी यू हैव पीपीओ क्या होता है, प्री प्लेसमेंट ऑफर, यानी कि प्लेसमेंट से पहले आपके पास ऑफर हो जाता है एक एक्स कंपनी से जिसके साथ आप एसोसिएटेड थे, बिकॉज़ यू हैव परफॉर्म. So placement is never a problem when I talk of IPS College of Technical Education. The simple reason is you're already having a lot of PPOs in your hand. And of course, with placement, jab hota hai, when you think, if you go, if you want to, you can go for that. Either you take your PPO or you go for a placement. But yes, one thing is ensure that you're going to start off with a professional career without any problem. Second is if you wish to go for your MBA, you can go for that. Third is if you wish to start off your business, you can go for that because there are a lot of incubation kind of practices which happen in IPS. अगर आपको बिजनेस शुरू करना है तो आपको स्टार्टअप के साथ एसोसिएट कर देते हैं. So you understand the entire process, method, steps associated in say going on with a very successful startup opportunity. Funds कहाँ से आएगा, कैसे मैं business plan क्या होता है, कैसे मैं business plan को present करता हूँ, how do I search for investors, ये सारी का सारा चीज आपको समझना चाहिए. And you are just doing your BBA. And that is why IPS has no other, we are unbeatable. There's no other choice. Right? Because there are a lot of participatory brainstorming, case studies, methodology, business simulations. This will be an important part of your co-curricular activities. BBA will also give you the freedom to choose a high pay. As I said, पहले से ही बोल दिया, career तो आपका बन ही गया. तो अब you have to choose, क्या मैं professional career में चल जाऊंगा after BBA, क्या मैं further studies करूंगा, क्या मैं MBA करूंगा इसके बाद, और या फिर क्या मैं कोई entrepreneurial venture start कर दूंगा, float कर दूंगा. That is up to you. That is the power of IPS BBA. That is the power of IPS BBA. Right? And the power of IPS BBA along with BBA is you get the complete knowledge of the business process per se. Finance, HR, sales, logistics, जो processes है, वो processes आपको समझ में आ जाता है. And that actually is the beauty of, IPS College of Technical Education. Right? Let's talk then. Let's talk. And if you want to talk, if you need to clarify any kind of doubts that you might be having, it's very simple. You just need to call in this particular number. Give us a call and we'll be always delighted to talk to you. Answering your queries is what we are passionate about. Giving you solutions in career is what we are passionate about. Ensuring that you venture to the best of the career possibilities in your future, that is what we are passionate about. Right? So if you need to talk to us, if you need to solve any kind of queries you have, if you need to have all those information regarding BBA, which is of course one of the best opportunities in this pandemic and a post-pandemic workplace, this number is something which we keep in mind. That is 8233970000. I repeat once again, it's 8233970000.